the Minaur. Too much on that forehand again.
Did well, good improvisation. Largely untroubled on serve in the opening set. He's been largely untroubled in this matchup over the years. It looks as though we're heading for a similar outcome. 42 minutes. Tsitsipas up, 6-4.
Playing doubles with Nicolas Mahut. Oh, great change-up.
Stefanos Tsitsipas once again looking very dangerous here in Barcelona. He moves into his third semi-final in the Catalan capital and records a 9th straight win over Alex de Minaur. The Greek is on the up and he's into the weekend in an hour and 21, 4-2.